Morning, it is 12:21:12, and I'm still alive. I'll be out of school early today because I have a half day today because it starts the winter break, and then I have an appointment later, so I'll see you guys later. I am back from school and I'm still alive. Amen. I just want I feel like half robot, part human. Look. Like I'm shooting out a spider web. And I can now have this moment where I can cross off the 21st. First day of winter, and supposedly what was going to be the last day on Earth. But guess what? If I can open this, I can't even open it. Ugh. I mean, this giant thing. It's a hard cast, like right here. It hurts. It's so heavy. And then I have an ice pack on. I'm gonna see if I can get this open. Oh, I did it with one hand. Skill. Good night and see you tomorrow.